Does results-based medicine mean profits for UNH? By www.options-trading-education.com. United Health Group, UNH, is steadily moving towards results-based payment systems and eliminating fee-for-service systems in dealing with doctors and hospitals. For investors, traders, and options traders, the question is if results-based medicine means profits for UNH. United Health Group, UNH, is a diversified managed healthcare company. It is ranked number 14 in Forbes' top 500 companies in the USA. The company has its roots in the Physicians Health Plan of Minneapolis, and United Healthcare emerged as its management arm in 1977. Since that time, UNH has grown and evolved into a company that tracks and analyzes massive amounts of data relating to healthcare, methods, results, and costs. Going back to its first days, many physicians and their patients complained that the whole point of UNH is to pay providers less and provide fewer services to patients in order to increase the corporate bottom line. However, this company has steadily amassed data showing what approaches to patient care are the most cost-effective without endangering the end result of successful prevention and treatment. The question for the options trader is this: does results-based medicine mean profits for UNH? Time to short UNH? Options House is of the opinion that UNH is overpriced and, in their words, would be a healthy short. Shares of healthcare services company United Health Group, Inc., New York Stock Exchange, UNH, have surged after this week's earnings results, adding to an already steep run. However, UNH stock increasingly looks overbought, and active traders and investors could consider United Health from the short side for a mean reversion trade. When United Health reported its fourth quarter results on Wednesday, it beat expectations on both the top and bottom line and gave promising guidance for 2015. UNH earned $1.55 per share to beat estimates by a dime, and revenues of $33.43 billion just cleared expectations for $33.11 billion. All told, profits grew 10% year over year, while sales improved by a respectable 7%. And for next year, United Health is projecting earnings to come in a range of $6 to $6.25 per share of UNH stock, which is better than the consensus mark of $6.17. Nevertheless, Options House thinks that on a technical basis, the stock will fall. Obviously, if you are an options trader and believe this, you should be buying puts. There goes fee for service. The goal of UNH is to quit paying doctors and hospitals for how much they do and pay them for measurable results and for improving those results. In this vein, UNH will increase value-based payments, doctors and hospitals, by 20% in 2015. We are expecting about a 20% increase in the concentration of value-based reimbursement. Dan Shoemaker, Chief Financial Officer of United Health's United Healthcare subsidiary, told Wall Street analysts on the company's fourth quarter and 2014 full-year earnings call earlier this week. We ended the year at about $36 billion of spending in value-based arrangements, and we're looking to drive that north of $43 billion in 2015. United Health's pronouncements are in keeping with its previously stated commitment to increase payments that are tied to value-based arrangements to $65 billion by the end of 2018. The stated goal is to improve quality and at the same time reduce cost. The company states that savings by various categories range from 1 to 6% due to their use of value-based payment systems. Obamacare helps the likes of UNH. The Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, has helped health insurers like UNH who own and have analyzed huge amount of data relating to healthcare practices, results, and costs. United Health and other health insurers have outperformed the broader stock market by a wide margin since the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, was signed into law in March 2010. The stock also beat the market last year as most of the provisions of the ACA went into effect and consumers started to receive coverage. Simply put, greater access to health insurance has led to more customers for the insurance giants. So, does results-based medicine mean profits for UNH? To the extent that they are fairly paid for their services and can cost-effectively manage large healthcare systems, the answer is yes. To the extent that the government waits until the current system settles into place and start ratcheting down payments, it will spell disaster for UNH and the rest. For more insights and useful information about options trading, visit www.options-trading-education.com.